Friends, in this video we will see how to create this type of graphics in ArcGIS like boxplot or histogram or bar plot from the rasters. So I will be closing it. Now you see I am having three type of rasters here. One is this integer value elevation of this area. This is slope, this is float value for the same area, and this is the NDVI for the same watershed. Now why these are three different things, we will be seeing it one by one. See, this is elevation and these values are integer value, and if you are right clicking on this you will see that attribute table is active, and if you are opening it attribute table you will find these values in integer. Now see, in case of slope this is inactive. Similarly in case of NDVI also this is inactive. So first we will be preparing these graphics like boxplot from the elevation data. How to prepare it? Go to view, file, edit, and then view. In view you will find one graphs, and now create graphs. Here you will find type of graphics. See, vertical bar, bar min max, horizontal bar, histogram, line, scatter plot, then box plot. So like we are preparing box plot. Now give the field. This field is value. This box plot is now visible here. You change it. You just click once at match with layer. You will find it will be taking all the area of the plot. Now we can add legend from here, or we can also show the labels. Since it is very big data, it is not selected to make this, and also now this legend is also not needed. Next is the color. You can define the colors here. Like if you want yellow color of the box, and then for whisker also you can change the color, like you want red color and more deeper color, and then style it may be solid, dash or dot, then you can give. One more thing is you can define this length of whisker also. This is 1.5 times the interquartile range. This is the thumb rule for identifying the outliers. Then go to next. Here you can define the names, like I can keep it box plot. Okay. Then you can also go for 3D view. It will be making it like this. And then graph legend if you want to add. And then this is the x and y axis. So this is elevation. So I am writing elevation here. Okay. And the bottom is, we don't need bottom actually. So we can remove it and then finish it. So this is how we can prepare a box plot from our raster. Now come to the second case. So this is slope. Here we don't have the attribute table, so you will not get, if you want to create graphs from this raster, you will not find here. It is not visible. Only the elevation is visible. So in that case, first we have to create the attribute table for this. For that, we will go to the Arc toolbox, and there is one. See, in case in the data management tool, rasters, raster properties, and then build raster attribute table. So now give that slope, it will throw an error. So this is because this tool accepts only the integer values. Since we have floating values in this slope, so we cannot create attribute table now. So what is the option? Another option is we can convert these values to integer. So we can go for spatial analysis tool, map algebra, and then raster calculator. Here you will make int. We will take int and then slope. Okay, and we can save it like slope. int, this is integer, and click OK. So now you will find attribute table is available. So now we can create graphs from this slope integer like box plot values. Your box plot for slope is ready. Now third variable is NDVI. So can we create an integer value from this? Let us try. It will throw an error first. See, integer and NDVI, and click OK. So since we are having only values from less than say 0.6, all values are in 0, so we cannot use this method for NDVI. So in that case, other option is, first we will scale it, and we can write it in the footers of the box plot or histogram that this value, this raster is scaled by this value. So for that we will create again, see, int, we will create int NDVI, and then we will scale it by 10,000. Okay, now we are having integer value, and this is our NDVI scaled by 10,000. Now we can create graphs from this raster also. See, raster calculator, we have not saved it, so this is raster calculator 26. We go to values, and then box plot values, and in the footer you can write that this is scaled by 10,000. Here is the footer, you write scaled by 10. So in this video we have seen how to create these graphics in ArcGIS for integer variable, a float variable, or a variable that is normalized one. Thank you for watching.